Alright, so the beginning of a brand new year 2026, and this is a time when people feel motivated, excited, and ready to spend money on improving their lives. New routines, new homes, new goals, and new aesthetics. But starting an online store at the start of the year can still feel overwhelming. Too many products, too many suppliers, and too many chances to make mistakes. But what if I told you instead of guessing, you followed a clear and friendly plan that's designed specially for newer demand? And that's where Doba AI Dropshipping comes in. It's a powerful platform that brings together thousands of vetted suppliers and millions of products into one simple dashboard. And most important, this removes the most confusing and risky part of dropshipping, which is finding reliable suppliers that won't ruin customer trust. With sourcing handled, we can now move into phase 1, the strategic setup. So before touching any products, you need to understand your battlefield, right? One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to sell newer products to everyone. That usually leads to wasted ad money and weak messaging. Instead, what you can do is we can focus on choosing one very specific group of people who are motivated to start fresh in 2026. You might focus on people who want to reset their workspace, upgrade their home, build better habits, or improve productivity and wellness. Pick just one type of buyers and lock it in, and this avatar will guide every decision you make, from product selection to how you write your website copy. Next, and the most important, we have to protect our brand identity. So what you have to do is choose a business name that feels clean, modern, and aligned with fresh starts. Then get a domain and logo using simple tools like Canva, or you can also use Luca. After that, set up your store using Shopify, and Shopify works perfectly with Doba. Is beginner friendly and gives your store a professional look. Your store should feel like a curated 2026 lifestyle brand, not a random product warehouse. Now that your foundation is ready, we move into phase 2, choosing the right products. When you open your Doba dashboard, the number of products can feel overwhelming, and that's why we don't browse randomly, we filter with intention. Doba highlights trending products and also offers curated collections including seasonal selections and festival picks. Many of these products are part of the Doba annual sale, which means better margins from day one. For new year sales, speed matters. Use filter that shows suppliers from the USA or North America and focus on products with fast shipping times. And this is really a great advantage with Doba. Doba's strong US inventory helps you deliver quickly, which is a critical for customer satisfaction early in the year. Now apply your niche mindset. If your audience is focused on productivity or home refresh, look for items that help people can feel organized, focused, and motivated. You can choose like desk upgrades, storage solutions, lighting, wellness products, and daily use products work extremely well during the first few months of the year. You are aiming to build a small focused product lineup that work together. One main hero product that feels premium, a few core products in the mid price range, and a couple of smaller add-on items that increase your average order value. Reaching $1,000 in sales is very achievable with this structure. You don't need hundreds of customers, just a few dozen people who resonate with your brand. Now before fully committing, we validate. This is phase 3. So in this phase 3, what you have to do is you have to create a simple image ad for your strongest product using Canva. Run it as a Facebook feed ad targeting people who match your choosing niche, and in starting, keep the budget low and run it for a couple of days. You are not trying to make sales yet, you are simply checking if people are interested. After the clicking, saving, committing, or asking questions. If creating content feels like too much work, Doba Video Hub gives you a ready-to-use product video that looks professional and engaging. And these videos helps buyer understand that product quickly and can be used for bot ads and social media. Now once the product shows interest, we move to phase 4, the building the sales machine. Import your products from Doba into Shopify, but don't rely on generic supplier description, and this is where you stand out. Your title and description should speak directly to how your products help someone start 2026 better. Focus on benefits, lifestyle, and outcome instead of just features. To make this easier, Doba offers an AI listing optimizer that rewrites product titles and description for platforms like Shopify, TikTok Shop, and many more. And this saves you time and keep your listing optimized. Use clean, high-quality images, and if needed, add lifestyle images or mockups to make your store look polished. Your homepage should immediately explain what your store is about, highlight your best product, and build trust. Even simple messaging like celebrating your first collection work in the early stages. Organize your store into clear collection and make checkout as simple as possible by reducing distraction. Now comes to phase 5, traffic and your first 25 sales. Start with organic content. Don't just post products. Share helpful ideas related to your niche. Short videos showing desk makeovers, home resets, or simple habits upgrades work extremely well at the start of the year. And give value first and let curiosity bring people to your store, and then layer in paid ads. Go back to Facebook Ads Manager and create a sales campaign targeting that same audience you validated earlier. Use a simple video or image and lead with a strong benefit-driven hook. Send traffic directly to your best-selling product page, not the home page. Next, set up retargeting so people who did not buy on first visits you offer again, this time with a small limited time discount. Finally, we reach to phase 6, that is services and growth. As orders come in through, Doba monitor fulfillment closely and communicate with customers clearly. Send order confirmation notifications and shipping updates and respond quickly to questions. Strong services leads to reviews and repeat customers. And this one is really important. Track your data. When something works, double down on it. Scale ads on your best product and reinvest profits to grow faster. Once you hit $500 in sales, momentum usually builds quickly. Alright, so that's it. If you are ready to turn New Year motivation into real income, now is the perfect time to start with Doba. For just 99 cents, you can access millions of products, powerful AI tools, curated collections, and exclusive discounts through the Doba annual sale. Register on Doba today. The link in the description to build your New Year 2026 store and take your first step toward 1000s in sales. Your fresh starts begin now. And before leaving the video, hit that red subscribe button and that like button too. And if you have any questions related to this video and regarding Doba AI, then definitely comment down below. And if you want to learn more about Doba and AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video. And before going now, again, share this video with your dropshipper friends who want to learn more about dropshipping and who want to make a New Year stores too.